In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube short onto your WordPress website. This will be a quick and simple tutorial for those that need it. So first, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube and find the YouTube short you want to embed. This can be your short, it can be anyone's short. You can embed anyone's short, no problems with copyright. So go ahead and find the short. Obviously, if it's on your own channel, go to your channel icon, view your channel and find the short. I'm using this random one here. So go ahead and click on the share icon. And then it will give you this link. Now this link, what we can do is we can embed this link onto our website. So click copy, then head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now from here, go to posts and you can embed in an existing post or a post that you're creating right now. If you want to create a new post, click add new post, or you can go to all posts and embed a video there. I'm going to embed this video in this blog post. I know the context doesn't match, but the process of embedding the video is the same. Now go to the blue plus icon. So once you've clicked on the blue plus icon, you can then go ahead and embed a video. So scroll down and you'll get to media. And from media, you can click on video. Then click insert from URL. Then go ahead and paste in your URL. Then click enter. And that will then embed this video here. Then you can go ahead and click update, view post. And here you'll be able to see your embedded video. And people will be able to play video and watch it. And that's how you can do it pretty much. That's how you can embed a YouTube short onto your WordPress website.